Mabuhay and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to visit, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Color me true.
Welcome back to my channel! I am going to teach you how to crack the code of Kyoto's famous Sizzling Squid. The ingredients are butter, okonomiyaki or takoyaki sauce, but this time I'm using the okonomiyaki or okonomi, it's the same. Of course, we have the squid. And later for the toppings, we need green onions, pickled ginger, and of course, our favorite QP mayonnaise, lemon, and an optional thing, the sizzling plate. Of course, the very first step is to heat up your butter and then add your squid. Let them cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm using my crepe maker this time because I tried filming using my stovetop grill and I couldn't properly focus the camera. So for the filming purpose this time, I am using my crepe maker so that you can have a better view of the process. Also, I lined it with, you can see I lined it with aluminum foil because I was watching the guys in Kyoto cook the sizzling squid in front of us and they use the aluminum foil and I think it gives more flavor to it. It adds more flavor. And I think they also want to keep the teppanyaki grill clean so the squid does not leave any residue at all. But I strongly believe that this aluminum foil really gives extra flavor. Now I am adding my favorite part of the squid, which is the squid head. This is the tastiest part. And this, guys, will make it a little bit watery. You just need to add a little bit of butter to sizzle it more and then just turn your heat up a little bit so that it will speed up the cooking and it will prevent it from making it too watery. You will know if the squid is already cooked on that side if it doesn't stick to the foil anymore and you can already turn it. Continue turning until it's all cooked. Now let us add the sauce. And this is the okonomiyaki, or you can use the takoyaki sauce. And this is the heart of our sizzling squid. This is the main flavor, the signature Kyoto flavor of the sizzling squid. I will teach you next time how to make sauce from scratch. But for today, I am making a shortcut. Let it sizzle for about 2 to 3 minutes until you get that beautiful and irresistible burnt flavor. My house smells like Kyoto! So this is the moment when I have no choice but to use my stovetop grill and film the process here because I have to use my sizzling plate. So this time I am transferring the cooked squid, the squid that we cooked from my crepe maker, and this is the last process. This is for me, this is the crucial process. The taste depends on this last process. But if you do not have a sizzling plate, you can definitely use any type of pan you have at home. To be honest, you can cook it with any pan at all from the very beginning, but I just made it a little bit complicated for you. Well, I'm just kidding, guys, but you know what? Really, this makes it a little bit tastier. It gives extra flavor to it. So the process from step 1 that I showed you earlier, cooking it from a different pan from the first step, and then this is the last step, I really believe that this sizzling grill, this plate, gives extra flavor, a different flavor to it. Now I am adding the lemon squeeze while the squid is still sizzling, and this process will help the acidity of the lemon subside. Lemon, especially in Asian dishes, it is as good as salt, and it brings out the flavor of any food. Now I am adding the most controversial ingredient in this dish, and this is the Kewpie mayonnaise, which is the most essential ingredient in Japanese cuisine. Because Kewpie mayonnaise makes everything taste better, and it is the creamiest yet lightest mayonnaise that you could ever find. Japanese people don't only use this in their sushi, they also used it in their stir fry, noodles, fried rice, even in soup and spaghetti. Japan is a wonderland of food. Their enticing flavors, aromas, and not to mention Japanese good humor in food preparation is something that I truly miss about Japan. Overall, Japanese people create unique and delicious food from the freshest ingredients, and that is what makes Japanese cuisine really different.
Hi guys! So now we are finished cooking our version of Kyoto Sizzling Squid.
Itadaki.
It's a small family-owned restaurant there besides Suzaku Crossing in Kyoto, and it is where I have tasted this really delicious grilled squid from, the sizzling squid. And that's what I was trying to copy, and I am happy that I feel like I cracked their code. And but I still want to visit their place. When you go there, it feels like it's taking you back to the olden days of Japan. Kyoto is a very beautiful city. I love the laid-back environment there. It's very relaxing, very different from Tokyo. And Kyoto is just 2.5 hours away from Tokyo if you're going to catch the Shinkansen bullet train. But apparently, if you're going to take the regular buses, you will travel for more than 10 hours. Oh, look at this! It's like squid fat. Is it the squid fat? Is that what you call it? Squid fat. The last squid head.